scientific fact for you guys all. If you have something too hot in your blender, it's gonna explode. No matter how much you have in it. Good morning. It's the morning. It's 8:23 now, and yes, this is a new hoodie, and it's new because this is Daniel's, and I've never worn it on camera before. Maybe I've never worn it ever. Whatever. Today is one of those days where everything is a mess. I mean, literally everything. Everything is a mess. So I'll clean up, and also I do need to wash my hair, but that's just not the priority of this morning. I'll clean up, and today is very exciting because I'll be experimenting with making coconut milk from scratch. I bought some coconut shelled coconut flakes, and apparently I'll be making coconut milk because in my previous video I told you guys that we made some oat milk, and let me show you the nut milk bag that we got because I'm gonna try to make coconut milk with that. Very exciting stuff. It's a bag for nut milk. Alright, I feel really productive today, and now we can crack on with the important stuff. What's more important? Washing my hair, washing my face, or making coconut milk? It's the real big question, guys. The real big questions. I think I'm gonna make coffee. Alright, I did make my coffee, and I got some links that I have to put to the social media links for my work, so that's what I'm going to do. It's nothing fancy, and after that we take care of the hair and face situation because Lord knows I need a hair wash. Alright, we had lunch, Dan made lunch, and now he's working. And me and my baby hairs are going to be picking up the books because they've been delivered. So there's 3 books, and hopefully all 3 of them were delivered. I'm so excited. Yeah, more on that later. Alright, it's a little bit later now, and I've been to collect the books that were delivered, and I'm not disappointed at all. I'm so excited, and I'll show you guys the books that I ordered. Alright, this is one of the books, Untamed. I've touched this, the hardcover version, during my last trip to Birmingham back in November, and I didn't buy it, and I've been regretting it ever since. So I've ordered it and I can't wait. I've seen really good quotes from this shared online and I can't wait to read this. Also, can we appreciate the art cover? I mean, glitter and some texture, wavy, oceany, colourful. I can't wait. The second book is from the one and only Rich Roll. I mean, if you don't know who Rich Roll is, you should definitely check him out. His work and his story is just beyond inspiring. So I can't wait to read this and get over my excuses of why I don't run. So this is the other one. And last but certainly not least, maybe the book that I've been most excited about from this order. It's How to Do the Work by the Holistic Psychologist. I don't think there's anything I can add to this apart from I don't think I've been this excited about a book since the last Harry Potter came out, and that says a lot. I can't wait to get into this, and I don't even know which one I should start with. I should start with Rich Roll because I need to run more. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I'm really excited to read all these books. I should probably finish the books that I'm reading now, which is just not gonna happen, so the usual stuff will commence. I'm listening to an audio book, I'm listening to podcasts, and I'm reading 2 books already, and I'm gonna start another one. That's life. And now that I've collected that really exciting delivery, I will proofread the English version of my ebook once more, and then I shall be ready to put it all together and put the finishing touches on it. And I don't want to say that it will be live by the time this video is live, but who knows, maybe the productivity fairy comes and gets it done for me. Or maybe it's gonna be me. Here's the coconut that I have. It's shredded coconut. And I don't know about you guys, but this seems like a good amount to start out with. What do you think, Daniel?
Yeah, should be alright.
So we'll use all of this with a little bit more hot water than this. And I think I'm going to boil it, because I've read that in a recipe that it's good for it. And then I'll mix it, put it in the nut bag, and then... Alright, I didn't bring it all the way to a boil because I want to spare my blender. So let's see what happens. Alright. We have some technical difficulties that arose, and we shall recommence once the mixture has cooled down, because scientific fact for you guys all, if you have something too hot in your blender, it's gonna explode, no matter how much you have in it.
How much dry?
It's gonna explode. Alright, we succeeded. Dan's inspecting the halfway stage, and we're gonna sift it.
So good.
He likes it, he approves. So we had a double sifting, or we have a double sifting system. We sifted it through this, and now it goes into the nut milk bag. Spring is finally here and I'm so ready for warmer days and brighter days and longer days. It's been a long winter. It's been a long winter. And I guess I should update you guys on what's been going on. I've had some changes in the trajectory of this year. And I'm currently sitting in a town close to Salzburg in Austria, and it's because we are looking for apartments here, and it's because Daniel found a really good job here and we decided to take it, or he decided to take it. So we've been apartment hunting for the best part of a month now, and it's been a journey. It's been a journey. But today we still have a couple of appointments with realtors, and we'll just see how it goes. There's no timeline on the move yet, but it could be sped up by a new lockdown here in Austria in 2 weeks. So there's a lot to logistically organize, but apart from that, it's been such a journey, such a learning curve. It's hard when you have plans and you have ambitions and goals. I think it's difficult not to get impatient with the goals, especially so because there's so much that I can't control regarding my plans, and I'm quite the go-getter and impatient type of person. So it's been a journey to accept that patience and perseverance is where I need to be mentally, and what I've been thinking about, and I think where a happy life begins is to know and accept that wherever you are right now and wherever I am right now is where I need to be. So where I am right now is exactly where I need to be, and trying to live and feel like that on a daily basis, as well as having goals and plans and aspirations. I think when you try to marry those two and live by both of them, and when they can coexist in your mental space, I think that's where you find peace, if that, even for a couple of minutes or days, that's where you find peace. And then it all begins, because everything's a circle. You'll go back to the lessons that you haven't learned yet, and for me, impatience seems to be a major part of that lesson. But for now, I'm sitting at a river and I couldn't be happier. The birds are singing, it's warm, it's nice, it's really, really nice. So we'll be moving really quite soon, and I'll be trying to downsize a lot of our possessions. Not that we have a lot, but I will want to have as minimal stuff around in the new place as possible. So that's what's happening. And apart from that, life is good, and I think we make it really difficult for ourselves in our heads, and there's so much power within us over our well-being, and we don't even realize it. And I don't even realize how hard I am on myself and how hard I make my life mentally. So just sitting here is perfect. I wouldn't trade this for anything. I guess this is just a 20-something-year-old woman trying to philosophize about life and trying to come to terms with all the changes and currents within my life. If you feel like that, like life is passing you by and your life is on hold because of the whole global situation, just know that you're not alone, and I feel you, and just hang in there. I have to tell myself that I should hang in there and be more patient with myself almost every day. But it's a process. Everyone learns at their own pace. So get out there, breathe some fresh air, read good books, put down your phone and enjoy, because this is magic. Life is magic.